So we're here outside Newton Towers, PWS Stafford, and what day is it? Oh, it's bank holiday, it's Sunday.
We're not open. Look.
We're not open.
We're not open.
No, we're not open. We're not open. He's open. I'm not. And neither's the Butty van or the Ghostbusters van or whatever else you want to call it. You know, because it's not unique. But the van is unique, and I tell you what, it is cool as fook. Here we go. Ford Ranger pickup. All the storage in here in the back that you might need. What have you got in there, Darren?
Right, so this...
What's in there?
This bespoke hose reel.
Oh, look at that. Look at that beauty.
Stainless steel, specially made for our friends at Rutland Pumps. They made us that.
Stainless steel. We've
Steel.
got a lock and catch here as well, haven't we?
Lock and catch on the side.
Lock and catch there, that's cool.
As requested by Doug, he wanted a big hole so he could access his...
there you go, so I can access this 500 litre tank that's on board.
500 litre tank. Prototype, but we're not going to pay any attention to that. That's just a prototype fitting for you to play with.
Prototype fitting for
Pro Grip for holding your gun.
Pro Grip for holding guns. So there you go. So we've got plenty of storage space here for additional things. I'll probably put a box in here or something with some
there'll be a box
stuff. I'll put a box in here. What we got in the back? What we got in the back, Daz?
Well, some magic.
What's in the back?
Magic. Look at that. Look at that.
Look at that. Well, so talk us through what we got here.
So, well, this is an old favourite of yours. So, this is your original Briggs & Stratton Vanguard 14 horsepower electric start. If you remember, this one was originally fit to your van.
The very first Alpha, right?
The very first Alpha, yeah, the first Alpha compact. So we got 21 litres, 200 bar, easy start. So obviously you open this bad boy up.
Yeah.
It just shoots a little bit out here where you bleed the air out. Start the engine.
Yeah.
We've gone for trapped pressure and loader valve on this, Doug, to make it easier for you to adjust your pressure when you're inside.
I like easy.
And it also means that you don't have to, when you're using the foam guns and the end of trigger restrictions, when you're doing your tower cleans, you can turn it down.
Okay, cool.
This is the
instantaneous. Just coupling.
Wait there, Doug. Ooh, three fingers.
Three-fingered instantaneous coupling, 45 minutes.
How does it go? Two in the pink, one in the...
Anyway, that takes for the hydrant 60mm hose.
Hydrant. So we are full.
The hydrant.
We are actually full of water at the moment, Doug. So we open that.
Oh, that's going to come out. Yeah.
So down here you've got your fill. So we've got a normal fill.
Yeah.
With the fast fill float at the top.
What's in that box there with that green light on it?
There's some batteries in there and there's some solar there.
Okay.
Because you've got your cables with your Anderson connection for running your trailer.
Yeah, which runs all the leisure battery on the pump, or they're running the pump on the trailer.
So on top of this, if I shut this door and
hang a second, hang a second. We've got all the storage up there for when we put our hoses or our FSC and
let me
another
get this door
occasion.
for you, Doug, so you can stand up and show everybody your panel.
Okay.
Get up there. Get up there. Yeah, I'll hold this. There's Doug. There's Doug. Hold on, Doug. Smile, Doug.
Smile.
Oh, look, it's on its bump stops now, Doug. There's some weight on the back of it now.
Oh, yeah, look at that. Solar panels on top. There you go. Ladder rack. Yeah, we'll just put a cover over the top if we ever want to use ladders.
And this side is where you get your sausage, bacon and egg from. This is the butty side.
But because we're travelling country, what have we got?
So, we'll just move these. These are some stock. So here, we've got a Bambino carry. So, this was one of your requests when you were doing this job, that you always carried a spare machine for redundancy.
Spare machine there.
So, this thing is tiny as well. I mean, it is seriously small.
15 litres.
I don't know if you can see, but I've spun the unloader valve round, Doug, for you to make it even smaller.
Wow.
So she fits in, and we've dropped just a little choc. Look, can you see there? A little white choc on the floor.
Oh, chocolate. I like chocolate on Easter Sunday.
Chocolate on Easter Sunday, a bit of white chocolate. Look at that.
White chocolate on Easter Sunday.
And in she goes. Look at that.
Oh, we should show everybody all this as well. What's going on? Look, we've got bloody coat hangers and hooks and everything else going on behind seats. Put all our spare clothes, ear defenders, like you do.
I mean, I need them for when you come up. So.
Look, we've got bloody flashing lights when we're stopping.
Oh, wait there. Where are all the lights? Go, give me the light there. No, give me that.
What, you want them
go press all your buttons. Go turn all your lights on, Doug.
These ones.
Show everybody all your lights.
Inside lights there. Look, bloody inside lights here. Bloody 12-volt connections in here. You know, it's got it all going on. You're shorting out in this van, mate, I tell you. Well, flashing lights for when you're pulling over. Easy that, don't unscrew that. Yeah, just need to put the hydrants on and we didn't show them these. Guys, these are cool. This is where hydrant hose is going to go. Yeah, quite straight in there. Bang. What a truck. What a truck. Open to offers, guys.
Open to offers.
Open to offers, because I can't probably afford the install.
He definitely can't
But
afford
I
the
cannot
install.
tell you, it's I nearly dropped dead when I was told about the price of this, so I'm not going to tell you.
There you go.
Cheers. Cool. So, once again, thanks to Darren Newton at Newton Towers, PWS, for being here on a Sunday.
Precious Towers.
There you go.
Not open on a Sunday.
PS. Oh, we're not open on a Sunday.
Right, this is
Definitely not
this is
open.
not live. Right, this was not recorded
Not
on
live.
Easter Sunday. I'm at home with my kids. We're not open on Easter Sunday.
See you later, kids.